Unlock financial freedom without tech skills. Build your online business with Millionairemacs. What if it were possible to establish a successful online enterprise without the need for any technical expertise? Consider the potential outcomes. Would you be willing to take the risk? At Millionairemacs, we think that anyone, regardless of their level of technical proficiency, can establish a profitable online business. With the appropriate tools and guidance, it is possible to capitalize on the boundless opportunities that the digital world provides and alter one's financial future. This video will demonstrate how to establish, expand, and scale an online business, regardless of whether you are commencing from zero. The Millionairemacs advantage: no technical expertise? No issue. There is no need to be a technological genius to establish a digital empire. At Millionairemacs, we specialize in simplifying the process for individuals of all levels, enabling them to begin earning money online without the typical obstacles. We provide the following services to transform your aspiration into a tangible reality. 1. A comprehensive business plan for novices. At Millionairemacs, we offer a step-by-step blueprint that is specifically tailored to individuals who possess no technical expertise. Our straightforward, user-friendly guide will guide you through each step of the process of establishing an online business. We cover all the essentials to guarantee that you are fully prepared for success. From identifying your niche to devising your marketing plan. Identify the appropriate niche. Uncertain about which product or service to prioritize? We will assist you in identifying profitable sectors that are compatible with your passion or skill set. Initialize your online business promptly. Our straightforward instructions will guide you through the process of establishing your business without the need for any coding. We will also demonstrate how to automate critical processes. 2. Tools that simplify everything. Setting up a digital business does not necessitate a complex process. We offer a collection of tools that streamline the process of website development and marketing. Automated sales funnels and drag-and-drop website generators enable even novice entrepreneurs to establish their enterprises online promptly. Design a website that is both professional and user-friendly. Our website builder necessitates no coding. Simply drag, place, and publish. Select from templates that have been specifically engineered to facilitate success. Automate your sales funnel. We will demonstrate how to establish a sales process that operates automatically, allowing you to concentrate on expanding your business. 3. Free guide, 0 to 10K in 30 days. Are you prepared to commence your journey? Our 0 to 10K in 30 days guide is available for free download. This exhaustive resource is brimming with practical strategies that have been beneficial to thousands of entrepreneurs, including yourself. This guide will instruct you on how to generate your initial $10,000 within 30 days without necessitating any technical proficiency. Daily actions for success. Adhere to our established strategy, which includes daily tasks that are specifically designed to advance the needle. Practical advice from experts. Receive insider counsel on the rapid development and expansion of an online business. How does it operate? The procedure is straightforward, and the route to success is meticulously outlined. Even if you are just beginning, we can assist you in the development of a successful online business. Step 1. Choosing the optimal business model for your needs. We will guide you through the most profitable business models for 2024, regardless of whether you are interested in affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or establishing your own digital agency. Our platform provides you with the autonomy to select a business model that aligns with your objectives, lifestyle, and strengths. Affiliate marketing. Discover how to promote products and earn commissions without the need to create your own. E-commerce. Explore the realm of online retail and learn how to establish a store with minimal overhead. Digital agency. Provide businesses in need of your expertise with services such as SEO or social media management. Step 2. Create a robust online presence. Your brand's digital portal is your online presence. We will assist you in the development of a professional website and the establishment of social media channels that not only attract consumers but also establish trust and credibility. You will acquire the ability to create a distinctive brand. Create a distinctive brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Leverage social media to expand your audience. Utilize platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram to establish a loyal following and engage with potential customers. Step 3. Maximize conversions and drive traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. However, it is insufficient to merely generate traffic. Visitors must be converted into paying customers. We will instruct you on how to utilize SEO, paid advertising, and social media marketing to attract the appropriate audience and maintain their interest. Introduction to Search Engine Optimization. Discover how to optimize your website to attract free traffic from search engines. Paid advertising. Accelerate the growth of your business by leveraging the capabilities of Facebook ads, Google ads, and other platforms. Social media strategies. Establish an engaged community that not only purchases from you, but also contributes to the dissemination of your message. Step 4. Establish your business for long-term success. After establishing a profitable online enterprise, it is time to expand. We will demonstrate how to increase your revenue while reducing your workload by utilizing automation, outsourcing, and advanced strategies. You will acquire the following knowledge. Automating repetitive duties. Utilize tools to manage customer service, order fulfillment, and other duties to free up your time. Outsourcing with the expertise of a professional. Assign responsibilities to specialists who enable you to concentrate on expanding your business. Increase your revenue streams. By incorporating new products, services, or sales channels, you can diversify your income. What is the advantage of choosing Millionairemacs? At Millionairemacs, we offer more than just information. We also facilitate transformation. Our platform is designed to provide you with the necessary support from the very beginning, including a plethora of resources, proven strategies, and actionable steps that are specifically tailored to achieve your goals. Additionally, our 0 to 10K in 30 days guide is entirely free, allowing you to commence your journey immediately. Success stories that have been verified. Our clients have established effective online businesses, with a significant number of them earning their first $10,000 within the first 30 days. Designed for novices. Have you never had any experience? There is no issue. Our support, resources, and tools are intended to facilitate the success of novices. Continuous assistance. You are not alone in this endeavor. We offer continuous mentorship, access to a community of entrepreneurs who share your interests, and live Q, and sessions to assist you at every stage of your journey. Are you prepared to leap? Do not allow your apprehension regarding technology to prevent you from attaining financial independence. At Millionairemacs, we have streamlined the process of establishing an online business to ensure that anyone, regardless of their technological proficiency, can achieve success. The opportunity is immediately available to you. Obtain your complimentary copy of the 0 to 10K in 30 days guide. Adhere to our step-by-step blueprint and commence the construction of the life you have always desired. Success is merely a single decision away. Will you leap? Tell us in comment section below.